Hello children, I am back. Today we are going to have a discussion on some greatest personalities of India. Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Orissa. He was Indian freedom fighter and dedicated his life to give freedom for India. He was known as Netaji. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a great person. He was born on 5th September, is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India every year. He was among one of the great leaders of the country, and due to his contribution to education, his birthday is often called Teachers' Day. Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14 November 1889. He was made the Prime Minister of India. He was known as Chacha. Even today, Jawaharlal Nehru birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Mahatma Gandhi. The full name of Gandhiji is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is also known as the Father of the Nation. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. He fought against British Raj in India. Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was a great religious personality in the world. He was born on 12th January 1863 in Calcutta. He was a figure with high thinking and simple living. He was founder of Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission. He represented own nation to the world at Chicago on 11th September in 1893. Mother Teresa. She was a nun in Catholic Church. Sometimes God comes in the form of humans, and Mother Teresa was one of such godly humans. Rabindranath Tagore was born in Calcutta on 8 May 1861. He has written Jana Gana Mana. Rabindranath Tagore is known as Gurudev. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Gitanjali poem in 1913. He was a poet, musician and artist. He has influenced the Bengali music known as Rabindra Sangeet. Those Indians were brave and confident to their dedicated action towards the nation. We all feel proud of them, and we believed you people will understand their views, ethics and principles for the welfare of the nation. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Do practice at your home. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay at your home. Bye bye.